Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing even though it's 76 degrees, we're doing a heating job. We've got these two package units. This one here is one, and here's the other. And we had inducer fan motors go bad. These right here. What this does, this is a little motor. What it does, it removes the, these are the motors, take it out. You can see right in here, right there, that one there is the old inducer draft motor. Brings it out here and takes it out through here. That's the carbon monoxide. That there is a heat exchanger. That's where the carbon monoxide gets filtered out. That's the blower motor. We took the housing, because as you can see, it's filthy, and we're gonna clean it and wash it. That way they have better airflow. That's the compressor. And on this side, that's the evaporator coil. And you can see it is filthy, all that black. We're gonna clean it and wash it. It looks a lot nicer. And then this is your condenser coil outside. This is the top. We just took it off. That way we can work better. But we'll get this swapped out, put the old ones off, take the old ones off, put the new ones on. And she'll have heating, plus you'll have AC as well, better AC. And another happy customer. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye.